Good morning! So today is the day. I'm so excited. The only thing I have left to do is pack. Not like that. I mean, I have my stuff together. I just have to put it in the suitcase. You know, like last minute things like your toothbrush and my skincare. But I'm so excited. This has been a dream of mine for a long time and it's finally happening. You guys gonna miss mommy? You gonna miss me? Normal, are you gonna miss me? Bella, I know you're gonna miss me. Alright, so we finally landed. We got our rental car. It's 8:36. We're gonna get some food. We're gonna go to Target to get snacks for in the morning. Okay, so it is 4 in the morning. We are getting ready to head out. It's like 53 degrees here, which is interesting because it was so hot when we landed in Phoenix. It was like 102 and it was like a dry heat, but now we got a sweater on. So we'll see when we get there. I don't think we can actually film at the Grand Canyon. I was looking a little bit more, so I might have to insert some footage from my iPhone, but if you follow me on Instagram, you'll get to see it all live. Okay, so quick little side note. One of the reasons I wanted to go so early also is to avoid a lot of sun exposure because I have super sensitive skin on my face and I wasn't trying to have this kind of reaction again.
Map is shown as the red route, shuttle bus route.
Okay.
You can also walk the trail, and since you can't drive that, so it kind of makes it easier so you don't have to move your car so much.
Okay, cool.
And then when you're heading east, you can drive your own car too.
Okay, yay!
Okay. And that's hikes and things like that. Okay.
Thank you
Have
so
a good
much.
time.
Thank
See you
you.
later. Bye-bye.
Okay. Keeper, I'm sorry. Thank you.
I hope the resolution's good on that.
It is. Thank you so much. And tell me your name again. I'm sorry.
Mark Adam. Nice to meet you.
Thank you, Mr. Adam.
Hey.
Yeah. This is so cool. How nice! Yeah! Yeah! Something wrong with it? Oh, look, there's animals! There's animals on the side of the road! Gosh, you guys, look at the forest kitties.
Look at them eating the grass.
I know. There are a lot of them. Look, they're crossing the road. Okay.
Boy, they out here.
I know.
These boys is out today.
This really doesn't do it justice. You can't see like all down in there, but it's so crazy. This is millions of years old. Just wow.
Alright, so this one is a medium. Ideally, you'll be able to sit on the seat with like the balls of your feet touching the ground and like some big, kind of like anything that looks man-made, you're probably good to go. Anything that's like a tree or an animal, don't lean your bikes on those. So
This is so nice and peaceful and beautiful. We're riding bikes. It's a little tough. It's tougher than we thought, but we're at the four-way stop. We're headed to Yaqui Point. So yeah. All right, so we are on our way. One hand shotty. Oh wow, you can see the camera. Oh, this is what she meant. It's so beautiful. I'm being careful. But just look at that, you guys. Like, look at how beautiful it is. Oh my goodness. Like, look at this. I can't believe I'm here. This is millions of years old. Look at all that beautiful canyon and look at how deep it is. It is so gorgeous. Wow. Hello. Hello. So we are heading back to the car now. We just returned our bike rental. Yeah, I think I would come back. You can definitely, I would say, I wasn't sure what to expect because when you see the Grand Canyon, you see like all the terrain and like you think of hiking. But if you stay on the trails, it's a lot nicer and easier. Like I think my grandma could come out here and she's 73. So I would definitely come back. But from the start, the only thing I would do differently is definitely just get a bike and rent it longer and ride around the top parts of the trail. Because it's a good little workout. It's got my heart rate up. All right, so we survived the Grand Canyon. I can take that off of my bucket list. Comments down below, tell me one of your dream destinations. And as for always, thanks for watching. Bye.